Make sure you clean up after yourself enough. Because the last time you left the kitchen in a mess, I'm gonna have to clean up everything and I forgot work. You hear me, Diana? Make sure you clean up everything. Alright? Alright, mommy. Why not come dance with me? Why you always look so depressed and sad all the time, Junior? Come on.
No man, I'm good, I'm not depressed or nothing.
You still a think about that girl? Look at it this way. She gone. She not coming back.
Who says she not come back? Come on, man. She'll come back. You just said it because you like me and thing. You know you stay, you know.
Of course me like you, but you're not even gonna give me a chance. All you think about is Diana, Diana, Diana. She not here, Junior. Come on. Me there.
So no thing as look how it has done up for you. Are you with wanting active here? Yo dog, so you fuck it last night? Come on, tell me. You fuck her or not? Yeah man, we do it. It did nice, don't it? Taste if you let loose in my youth. She bad too, you know. She. Yo, talk about to fall in love with her like you fall in love with Diana, you know. No man, just some play thing with me and her, you know. Squeeze up the breast, everything. Yo, watch me look up, brother man. You find it on 1G. Don't tell nobody about this, you know. I don't want Diana for now. I'm tell man. Not a soul me I can tell. Nobody know worry about it. She start text my phone more now. Funny, you know. I never hear from her before. That's some kind of one. If she find another man. But I guess I don't know. What do you think? You really think she don't want another you? Yo, dog, stop overthink everything, no, man. Just ask you a question. Come and really understand what you don't know. Psst. Hey, girl. Come here. Hold on, the junior. Zoom forward. Yo, I hope you no CPR now, cause you just take my breath away. Yo, girl, you have a band-aid? Because I scrape my knees falling for you. Hey, honey, I want your help. I want to buy Olivia a great Christmas gift.
Really? What you have in mind?
I'm not really sure what she likes. Her mind is always changing. Maybe you can ask her, and then you can tell me.
Sure, no problem. I'll ask her for you. I mean, last week she liked anime, and now she likes some cartoon. She's really changing her mind all the time.
See, I can't keep up with these kids nowadays. That's why I need your help. I really appreciate it, Diana.
No, it's okay.
You know, ever since you came to live here, her whole behavior has changed. Thank you so much, Diana. She needed someone like you around. My love, why are you up so late? Oh, you look so beautiful tonight. You have a different glow about you. What is it? What's making you so happy lately? Can you please tell me? I really like to know what's making my beautiful wife so joyful. You look so beautiful, Octavia. You are my light. I love you so much. will have a busy day tomorrow. I have to go to sleep.